Hello everyone, my name is Manthan Kumar and I belong to Jharkhand. I did my BTech from Maryland Institute of Technology and Management with Computer Science stream, Kolhani University, Jharkhand. One day I was looking for a job on Naukri.com from where I got to know about Evision Technoserve. Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consulting company. So after having discussion with Evision team and taking full knowledge and details about Evision, I joined Evision online full-day job internship program under the guidance of IT manager and administrator. I joined Evision online full-day job internship program from where I got real-time work exposure and working experience with technologies like Network Plus, CCNA, virtualization, ITIL, cybersecurity, Linux administration. Is I have to say eVision helped me a lot to get placed in progressive Infotech with a good CTC. So I would like to suggest all the freshers or any person who is working in non-IT background but they want to switch in IT. So join eVision, they will train you, they will get placed you. You have to work hard. I want to thank Ganesh sir, Sati ma'am, Pooja ma'am, Dipankar sir, and all the faculty members which helped me to get placed in progressive Infotech. So you can join eVision and they will help you a lot. They will train you. They will resolve all the query which you have and they are available all the time. They are very polite and very helpful tutors and faculty members. So that was all. Thank you.